here is the extended story. Let's take you on a journey to Redding, California, where Little Country Church has pulled off an exceptional Christmas lobby design this year thanks Chelsea Voorhees. For their holiday last season, they set aside decorating challenge by transforming bare spaces into vibrant scenes, aligning natural/modern concept, which perfectly blends beautiful woods. Comfortable seating details will remind organized vibes when entering. Making home sausage month rolling typical new country homes throughout winter. Scenery features both winter nature and industrial touches here at church. If walking outside through icy cold, you probably feel warm. So the congregation's style calls for classic look accompanied modern twist, bringing together sense cohesion while creating perfect little cozy place enjoy during festive occasions. What inspires creators often comes together few days ago before setting up main site. The name construction project was on entire list. They created an inspiration board providing visual directory, what kind we using decorations, materials, building overall scene. Imagine a space completely untouched except blank walls from year nothing hanging as far I can reach, white shining pure canvas waiting decoration coming alive magic every holiday season. Let tell one simple approach they found earth natural colors, tones of sea browns, gorgeous gold hues blending evenly throughout, making sure not overpower each element's complement every decorated item. Hanging beautiful green tall straight elegant pine Christmas trees, mixed furs, some beautifully handcrafted wooden hued lovingly made in by dads. These were able to purchase inexpensive Treviller-le-Bois around dollars, which brought for all 32.7 individual plants themselves looking stunning placed parts, because added warmth welcoming greeting hallway visitors start walking outside through icy cold should feel cozy. It also helps echo sense harmony nature overall decor concept. Very interesting idea using box containers, cut open bottom, place sprig fir out top, create modern giving classic glance look, perfect pairing combining functional beauty natural industrial. Moving further, let explore other contributions. Decorations altogether accented those evergreen color with elements, white paper bags, materials purchased local dollar store, little extra something final hit magic moment entering that space completely overwhelming feels everyone. Now a time move towards main decorating surface area where large stretches left us standing right away first eye as we enter building itself. If seeing our beautiful. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.